Prepare to attack.
Yo.
Select your hero.
What's up? What's up?
I'm a one-man apocalypse.
Remember where you are. Mark your start with your love. Murky, or
Well, I suppose I'll be catching up.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Let's get to it already!
Stupidity is not a right. Stupidity is not a right. Stupidity is not a right. Stupidity is not a right.
How about that? How about
5, 4, 3, 2,
how about
1.
You guys want to go far
Attack
left?
commencing. Capture
Yeah.
objective A.
Yeah. They're not on high ground.
Alright.
Oh, they're on a weird high ground on the left.
Let's go right.
Ooh! There's a Reaper right there. Be careful. I got the Reaper.
Kill.
DVD max. Yo, I need help.
Always contesting the Ana.
Wait, read I'll get
Alright, we need to take out healers first next time. I already almost have my ult. Phew! Bless me.
You guys call my creative open up a lot of space.
Phew! Fuck!
Alright. Have you seen?
No.
Curry's literally staying done. I don't think anyone's gonna kill
Oh, watch out for the Ana on the left.
it. It's up high ground and
I'm gonna go take her out. Hold on.
I got slept drunk.
the objective is lost! Let's get you back in the
Please help! No, we were so close. It's just the Reaper. No location now.
Yeah, just regroup that shit.
Rides again.
Get an H one. I'm already 40 to my ult again.
They're on the back right here.
heroes never die.
Free down.
Oh, I got hammered. Get the mercy, they're half.
60 seconds.
Come on, Mercy. Wow. Yeah. Good shit.
Nice. I have my ult for next team fight.
Same.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
Hey, look, guys.
I'm on it. Don't worry.
I was trying to make sure there's a trace for sure.
Watch over the dealer. I'm gonna go bully some kids right now. Watch over the Reaper on the left, you guys. Reaper on the left, Reaper on the left. I'm a fat boy. Oh, thank you so much, Lucio. Hey, we have 4 ults. 3 ults.
Reaper slow.
We need to take out the Mercy. We need to take out the healers, boys.
Alright, I'm gonna come in the high ground.
Oh, I hooked her and then I got dead. Both tanks are on point. We just need a fat shatter, dude. That's all we need.
Yeah, they're just separated.
I know.
There's a bunch.
Payload ready to roll.
60 seconds.
On the line.
I got the Ana. I'm pushing. The Reaper's still over by you guys, though.
Mercy. All heals are down.
We're pushing. It's okay. Oh, I tried as hard as I could, boys.
30 seconds remaining.
Make every second count! Crush their defenses! Roadhog rides again.
You gotta do it, Reaper.
10 seconds remaining.
Mercy one.
Powerful.
Overtime.
Reaper's carrying hard. Yeah, kill him.
It's hand.
That's okay. We can hold him.
Complete. Score.
We need to make sure that we can counter the Reaper, boys. He is fucking us pretty hard.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
YOLO, okay.
Alright, what do you guys want?
We need a healer. That would be great.
Okay, alright, I got you. You guys are fine with this in?
Yeah.
Alright, got you.
We just gotta make sure the Reaper doesn't get close.
Man apocalypse.
I'll try to pull him when I can.
I'm your huckleberry.
Where do y'all want
Really
to
use
sit
the
up at? Y'all wanna sit
Junkrat
up-
stuff.
Sit up top left, or y'all wanna chill more towards point? Where do y'all wanna be at?
Attackers incoming in 30
Okay.
seconds.
I'll sit up here with you.
I'm gonna here then.
It's either chill on the top right or
You guys
back
wanna
on
move side?
point,
Alright, let's go.
I'm not one for standing.
or the point I did not mention.
We just can't stay here too long.
Yeah, because we don't have a jump.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
4,
They dive us.
Guess she's dropped down.
And then fall back.
1. Attackers
It
incoming.
really isn't a good place to
Defend
defend from.
objective A.
Alright, you guys, we have time to move down.
It's good for the beginning, but if you stay here too long, it's not.
We're gonna just dive us, so we might as well just, they have triple tank.
Y'all want to move now?
Just move down.
Yep.
Go bottom right.
They have a Winston, they have a Diva, and they have a Road.
I want to make a dive.
Just need. Diva out of man.
Got him out. Discord on road. Discord on.
Yeah. Monkey.
Discord on.
Did I kill all of them?
My ultimate is charging.
Yep.
Now they got
Sick.
jump. We have a Rhine now.
They lost the Winston.
Yeah, so we gotta take that shield down.
Go, McCree, chill with us.
I want to bait their dive and then I'll run away.
Bad guys. It's
Oh, they're coming up to you, McCree.
You're not
All of them are. All of them are coming to you.
Yeah.
We gotta get the tiger behind us. Over.
Double
Favor.
I was going for the Mercy to stagger her.
Yeah, I had to Discord. I was missing though.
No, it's okay. She was really, really low. It was a good try though.
Good stagger.
This bitch of an Ana. Hold on.
I don't have trend for this next fight.
Can you orb me quick? I'm going after this
Got you.
Ana.
Got you.
Don't go too far.
Oh, that bitch. She's lucky that the Ryan fucking.
Trying to go back. Put it just. Jumped up there, spamming on the top.
Back up.
Stop playing. I think you're trying to get tired.
Oh fuck. Can you res me? Thank you.
60 seconds.
You out of match.
Mercy one.
Discord on. Agree. Good shit.
You want to go back there?
Baby Diva, I think.
They killed herself. They killed. Ana killed herself.
Baby Diva, right? Good shit. I have trains for this,
30 seconds remaining.
and they have no rip.
Farmer.
time grows short.
Kind of easy.
Attack.
Ah, dude, I barely. McCree, you're unfair, dude.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull her out of the sky.
10 seconds.
Oh no, I died. I don't think you're gonna be able to res me though. Oh no way. Holy shit. Good game, team. Good game. That's how you fucking play. That's how you play.
Play of the game.
My girls.
Double kill.